What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we go behind the scenes and show you all the projects we're working on this week in the shop. We're gonna start in the tint bay. We've got a Dodge Durango. This one's getting tint all the way around and the taillights tinted. We've got half the taillights tinted now. We're gonna tint the marker lights on this one too. Then we've got a Genesis G90. These cars are super cool. Interiors are like S-Class Mercedes level for basically half the price. So we like these a lot. Over here in the ceramic coating world, Jimmy is currently polishing a 1950 Mercury. This car was repainted at some point. It is base coat, clear coat. Really good respray. There's hardly any orange peel in it at all. There were a lot of micro scratches and buffer marks. Jimmy's currently taking those out, and then we're gonna be ceramic coating this with Expel Fusion Plus. Speaking of coatings, in the wash bay, we've got an annual checkup. So this Mustang was previously ceramic coated, and you can see it's been at least a year. This might even be more a 2 or 3 year checkup, I'm not really sure. You can see the car is still beating water pretty much like the day that we did it. So the owner of this one must be taking care of it and washing it regularly. We have a Cadillac Escalade. This one has a full paint protection film wrap, and it's on deck for a ceramic coating inside and out. We're gonna coat the leather, all the plastics, and then of course the whole exterior of the car. Got a Chevy Silverado heavy duty. This one got paint protection on the whole front, hood fenders, mirrors, front bumper, not mirrors, I lied, these ones are plastic. It's also getting the front windows tinted, that's next up. It'll be gone at the end of the day today. And on the lift, this thing is gorgeous. This is a brand new M5. I don't know what CS stands for. Is it competition series, anybody? Because there is a competition. Yeah, so gorgeous car, huge carbon ceramic brakes, gold accents on all the trim. I freaking love this thing. I'm not a BMW guy, but I love this car. It's got leather and carbon fiber trimmed race seats, red trim, or red stitching. I love it. This one's here for paint protection. Aaron is finishing this one up right now. He's getting some film laid on the grill. Whole front end is done. We tinted the windows on it yesterday as well. Behind John, we've got a jet ski. This was here a little bit ago. We did some ceramic coating. There were a couple areas we left uncoated on purpose so that the owner could add some of the decals, because believe it or not, the coating is so slick that vinyl doesn't really like to stick to it. So we purposely left that off. The decals are on, and now we've recoated those areas that needed it. It's raining a little hard outside. We don't want the camera to get wet, so bear with us. We're gonna take you outside once it clears up a little bit. Outside, we've got my Gallardo. We got new wheels put on that thanks to Wheel Connection, our friends up in Wexford. We've got a Honda Accord. This one got the rear window stripped. We're gonna be retinting that. And a 4Runner. We tinted it all the way around, and a visor on this one. My Red Eye. This is a new addition to the YouTube channel. We got the windows tinted on this yesterday. We've got a radar detector going in soon. Lots and lots of things happening with this car. Then a 911 Turbo S. I love this color on this car. We wrapped the roof and tinted the windows. Out front, we've got a work truck. We installed some Varnick Bros graphics on the sides of this truck. Another Turbo S. This one's been here for a while. We're cleaning this up. That'll get delivered to the customer at some point. And a Challenger SRT Hellcat Super Stock. So there's only 200 of these being made. This is our good friend Ed, and we tinted the windows on this. We're gonna be ceramic coating the car. We did paint protection film on the whole front end, so we like this car a lot. And that's it for What's in the Shop this week. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and let us know what you think of what's going on in the shop every week, and we will see you next Wednesday.